Hey there, tubers. It's the Mud King 2010 here. Well, it's a cold one out today. Yeah, let's see how cold it actually is. Let's see. Come look on the channel. Okay. We'll check the little local one here in St. Louis. Alright, it is Powerball. The Powerball went up to 950 million. Woo! Oh, lock some of that money. Weather. It's 13 degrees. Feels like -7. Well, I'm gonna do a cold start. Yeah, actually it is. I guess it is gonna be a cold start. Last time I had the truck running when I was on my way to work, but so I'm gonna do a cold start of my Ram. It's cold one out. It's gonna be like a cold start, new start, cold start, old start. I don't know what you would call it. Oh. Hold on, I got that there. It's cold. Turn the lights off and flick those on. And all right, see if it'll start. And it wanted to start there for a second. There it goes. I just wanted to get a little cold start running for you guys.